Slow it. Because you're gonna. Yeah. God, you're a menace in this. You're like flaring.
It's a bit narrow, that, isn't it?
Yeah, could you not tell? Yeah. Even I'm like, in my little car, I wouldn't go that fast down there.
Well, that was a bit of a narrow road. So narrow, in fact, it was almost like a footpath. But hopefully, our little visit here will be well worth it. Just check the door's locked. So we're back in Kent. I'm back at my lockup, and just down the road from my lockup is this place called the Coldrum Long Barrow. So I thought I'd bring Rebecca along and take little Monty for a walk, and we'll check it out. There goes my tracker alarm. Yep, it's still working. So this is the road we just drove down, and I will drop a in the description what 3 words. As you can see, it's a bit of a footpath. Rebecca wasn't impressed.
No, he was tearing around the lanes like nobody's business.
Locked.
Nice
Right, let's go. Yeah, it was a bit of a squeeze. It looks like a nice place to park as well. You could probably get away with parking here all night. But I will warn you, like I said just now, the entrance is a little bit narrow. So if you've got a big motorhome,
yeah, you won't get down in the
yeah, you wouldn't get down here with a motorhome.
It'd have to be
anything bigger than a Sprinter, I think you'd struggle, because my mirrors were literally hitting both sides as I was coming down now.
Bodywork.
Oh, and the bodywork.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
You were taking the hedges out. Mind you, you were going quite fast, so.
Yeah, maybe I was going a little bit too fast for the. But it was nice and wide, but it did get narrow quite suddenly.
Yes.
In my defence.
This is our little outing.
So yeah, my van's booked in for an MOT for tomorrow. So yesterday and this morning I've been giving it a good service. Changed the oil, I put a couple of new shock absorbers on it, checked all the brakes, all that good stuff. Basically, yeah, just give it a good service prior to the MOT. And it's all looking pretty good. I'm confident it's going to pass. We'll see. We'll find out tomorrow morning. Is you alright?
Yeah, I was just saying for you, mind.
Oh, crikey, look at that. I mean, is that a dog or a horse?
That's a dog.
Bit of a cross between a dog and a horse by the looks of that.
That's the good thing about having a little dog. Nobody can blame you for
Yeah.
leaving a big pile of poo anywhere.
That pile of poo was bigger than little Monty.
Yeah, he only leaves little sticks.
This place is pretty spooky, look. I think it's got a bit of a spooky vibe about it, don't you think? It's got a bit of a, yeah, all the hairs on the back of my neck if I had any for standing up. You know when you get that spooky vibe. Look, I'm on the tree.
Pardon?
I'm on the tree. Oh my god, all right. Yeah, you're fine. I hope we're going the right way. I only had a quick look on Google Earth. Did you say this was National Trust?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a National Trust site. So if you are thinking of coming in and parking all night, just bear that in mind. Oh look, big open field. Wasn't expecting that. I wonder if I'll get away with bringing my metal detector up here. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Probably end up getting shot or something if I did that. Take a look at this beautiful field. Well, it's worth coming here just for the walk. Look at that.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Britain at its finest.
Is there anything up on the end there with that hill
Where, love?
runs out? That pinnacle there?
Up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know Snodland?
Yeah?
Yeah, well that's where Snodland is. Just
The other side?
just down and over there, yeah.
Oh, cool. I love Snodland. And if you want to know all about Snodland, we visited that yesterday because Mel wanted to take me because I just thought it was a brilliant place to go and see.
Whilst we're walking to the Coldrum Long Barrow, I'll play. Did you film it?
Yeah,
you did, didn't you? Yeah, we'll insert a little clip of us driving through Snodland, which is just yonder.
This has got to be the best place ever. Snodland. I wonder where Mel's taking me here because I'm really interested. Look, Snodland.
Snodland Clock Tower.
That's so cute. I just think it's just an epic name for an epic town. So
well, it's not really a town, it's just a little side village.
Oh, okay.
Just a little village on the side.
To anyone who does live in Snodland, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think of Snodland.
I know one person that lives in Snodland.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. She's a pianist.
Ah. Ex-girlfriend?
No.
Mel's been very kind. He's deliberately gone out of his way because we're on the way to a nice, where is it, babe?
Moat Park, Maidstone.
Yeah. And is he going to wait or is he going to be a dick?
This house here, oh no, that's not it. No, that ain't it. I was trying to find Lizzie's house. It used to be a shop. But she brought it, and if you put a grand, there it is there, that one there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she brought that building because it was a shop. But all she did was put a big grand piano in the shop front.
Oh.
Because she was a pianist.
What, and people would come by and listen to her?
No, she was just for her own pleasure. She used to play organs as well, like in churches, weddings and stuff.
Okay. So she didn't teach piano then, or anything?
No, I
like
always
that?
wanted to get her to teach me how to play piano, but
Yeah.
She was lovely. Crazy as lovely.
There's Snodland Christ Church.
Yeah.
Little sprouts in Snodland.
You love it, don't you?
I do, it makes me laugh. It feeds my inner child. I just love it. I just think, what a great name for a town.
God, I'd love to bring my metal detector here.
I highly doubt that you'd be able to.
Oh no! Look at this fields, look!
Protected.
Oh my God! Can you imagine that? All this to be detected. Be nice, wouldn't it, to find out what farmer owns all this land? Because here is the Coldrum Long Barrow. Right, I'm going to put the camera on here, so if anyone's interested, they can freeze it and they can read it. Right, let's take a look, shall we? Let's take a look up these spooky stairs.
Oh wow, this is older.
Brilliant. I like that. It's got a real atmosphere about it up here.
I wonder whether it's on any ley lines.
Don't know. You could. Oh, there's more information down here. Alright, well done, Benjamin. So there's Rebecca up there.
I'm 5'1".
You're 5'1".
Yeah.
So this gives you kind of wide scope of the size of it, and that would have been the entrance there to the tomb. And right here I've just stumbled across the picture. There you go, that'll give you, I guess that's an artist's impression of what it used to look like. Neolithic period. There you go, I'll just scroll this down so people can read it. Try and hold it as steady as I can. If I had some wipes, I'd clean this.
So it's looking out over towards the Isle of Sheppey.
Yeah, there's a map down here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, I'm just filming it so people can see. But it's a bit, yeah, it's a shame I haven't got any wipes. I'd wipe that and clean it. There you are. Some stones there as well. So it's facing towards London?
It's facing, yeah, facing towards London and Surrey, and facing behind Canterbury. But I don't think it can be.
Okay, there's stones all around. That's incredible. Well, there you are, this is the Coldrum Long Barrow, and it's a bit windy, so we're going to take a little moment, yeah, take a moment to soak up the atmosphere, and have a better look around, have a little bit of a moment. I hope you like this video. Do please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Ta-ra for now.